guys, my house is dirty again, as it seems to always be with like a 15-month-old. So today I'm going to share with you my daily and deep cleaning routines. I just want to say thank you to LG for sponsoring this video, and I'm excited to share with you my whole like routine. Plus I created a free PDF download for you guys that I filled out with like kind of like your daily tasks, as well as like some weekly tasks, monthly tasks, and then seasonal things. And then there's some spots for you to kind of customize it to fit like your lifestyle, your home, your, you know, what works for you and your cleaning kind of goals or outline or schedule, whatever you'd call it. So let me show you how dirty my house is right now. We're traveling a lot, which is really fun and exciting, but then like, you know, things just get like wild when you come home and you're like unpacking, and then your house is just a complete disaster. At least that's my excuse for it. Plus I just like live here and it's just life. It's messy. So I'll show you kind of what I got going on. This morning I made breakfast. I made some French toast with the Just Egg thing. Really cool. It turned out really good because it's like vegan French toast. And so my kitchen is definitely messy, but like literally every part of my house is messy. So I'm gonna bring you through my daily routine, walk you through that PDF, and you can download the PDF in the description below by signing up for my newsletter. And then I'm also giving away 20 of LG's cordless vacuums on my Instagram. So I'm very excited about that. And I hope you guys are too, because it's awesome. Spoiler, it's awesome. Today I'm sharing with you the LG cordless vacuum. I love cordless vacuums. They are like life-changing, truly life-changing in the whole like cleaning routine and just like daily maintenance of your house. So this LG vacuum is the A907 Cord Zero Stick Vacuum. Very fancy. It has a long battery life. It comes with two 40-minute batteries, which gives you a total of 80 minutes to clean, which I could easily do my entire house. It also has a couple of storage options, which is kind of cool. You can use it on a stand, you can do it a couple of other configurations, and you don't even have to drill holes into the walls. Another nice feature is it's just like a one touch to turn it on. So you just touch the button and you go to town, and when you're done, turn off the vacuum with one touch. The dustbin is a good size, but not overly big. It's not heavy. It's a light vacuum to move around, which makes it easy to like vacuum things up above your head. All right, this might be kind of gross to share with the internet, but look at all this stuff that it picked up. Just like through one mini pass in my house, in just 2 rooms. Ooh, yuck. It has like a telescopic, like stick part. What would you even call that part? Like it telescopes out, so it's like can be a medium size, a full size vacuum, and then you can take that whole piece off and make it a short one, so you can do little things like vacuuming the stairs or something. I think my favorite feature of this whole vacuum is the fact that the filters are washable, so I don't have to worry about having extra filters on hand, buying filters. It comes with 2 filters, and then you literally wash them and reuse them, which I think is so amazing. And then you know that like your vacuum filter, it can be clean as often as you clean it versus having to wait to like order a filter and then you kind of put that off, as I would. And then you end up vacuuming your house with a dirty filter vacuum. This, not gonna be the case. It also has a power punch nozzle, which makes it easy for cleaning deep, dug in there dust. So like I said, I'm giving away 20 of these vacuums on my Instagram. Check out the description box below on how to enter the giveaway to win yourself one of these amazing cordless LG vacuums. Okay, let me show you my house. There's no coffee B-roll in this cleaning routine. I went and got my own this morning because I also didn't have bread for French toast, so I had to go do that. Okay, so this is maybe more of like a deep clean. It is, I mean, let's be real, my house is ridiculously dirty right now. I swear I'm not a slob, it's just like life gets away from me sometimes. So I'm gonna start with kind of like my daily tasks on my worksheet that I have linked below for you guys that I made. So picking up toys, picking up just stuff in general, but with my kind of when I use it more as like a guide for my daily tasks, I like to do the pickup and just kind of do it for like 15 minutes, and whatever I get picked up in like 10-15 minutes I like call good for a day. Today I'm gonna pick it all up, which might take a long time, but that's my approach to like, my approach to cleaning is, obviously right now there is none, but is the idea that like just some is better than none. And so if I just get one task done a day, that I'm super happy with. If it's just picking up a few toys, I'm super happy with that. But my kind of like my daily tasks that I try to tackle that make me feel really good when I wake up in the morning and see my house clean is like picking up for, you know, like 10-15 minutes, putting away my dishes, cleaning my countertops and the kitchen table, and then sometimes just like a really quick vacuum through just our like kitchen and dining area, because that's generally where like the most stuff gets, with like food and just stuff in general. So those are kind of like my everyday tasks. If I can get all of those done, I am like a rock star for the day. If I get one done, that's awesome too. So my PDF is kind of used as more of like my goal sheet for each day and week and month and then seasonally. So I kind of like to start always in my kitchen, because my kitchen is usually the most dirty and the most used space. So that's kind of how I tackle my cleaning routine, is to start in the most used rooms, because when you get those done, your house feels just like so much cleaner. These are all the daily tasks that are kind of like my goals for each day. I don't get all of these done every day, let's be real. Sometimes I only get one, but they're different things like clean up dishes, wipe countertops, just do a quick pickup, make my bed, and then put away clothes. These lines over here are for you to fill out if there are other tasks that are something that you want to add to your daily routine or daily goals. So something I like to do when I'm like quick cleaning my house or doing like a quick pickup, I like to take all the items, and maybe this feels counterintuitive to some people, but what I do is I pick them all up and bring them to like the room they're supposed to be in a pile. And then I go into each room and put the items away. For me, it feels more efficient to like, I just pick up everything that goes in a bathroom and I go set it in the counter in the bathroom quick. And then I do the same thing with like the kitchen. I pick up everything, put it in the kitchen, just like on the counter, and then I do that to each room, so I have like a pile in each room in a way, and then I put that pile away quickly in the space. So for some reason that method works really easy and quick for my brain. I just divvy up everything into each room, and then I go room by room and put that little pile away within the room. If you never thought about doing it, try it out. That quick pickup method works really well too if you are picking up with multiple people. So like one person can be in charge of like putting all the stuff into each room that it belongs in. The other person can go room to room and put those little that pile away once you've done like your main pickup. Somebody asked in my last video, like, does Joel not clean because he like wasn't in the video? No, he cleans. He just like didn't want to be in a cleaning video on YouTube, so it was just like me solo as it is today. It was Joel's, you know, it's my YouTube channel, not his. And then over here, I have my weekly. On Mondays for me, I shoot to maybe clean the bathroom if I can, and then take out trash, recycling, and compost, because our garbage pickup is on Tuesdays. And then on Tuesdays, I try to do just like a quick vacuum. Usually that just means vacuuming like the kitchen and our dining space. And then on Wednesdays, I'll try and maybe wipe like the cabinet fronts and just the fronts of our appliances in our kitchen. Thursday, I'll shoot to maybe do more of like a deep clean. So vacuuming the whole house and then steam mopping our whole house. I love when our house is like that clean this day. Goals for me on Fridays would be to scrub the kitchen sink and water the plants. Saturday I leave as like kind of a catch-up day where I don't have like anything specific planned, so that I can catch up on things like maybe I didn't actually get to that cleaning the bathroom on Monday, and I catch up to it on Saturday. And then on Sunday, A good goal for me is to clean out our fridge. I like to try and do some grocery shopping on Sunday so we have food kind of ready for the week. And then again, just like a quick vacuum of the house. Now on to monthly tasks. So I have this set up, or these are all of the things that I try and maybe get to monthly. And then each one of these is a month. So you can just check it off that you did it, in 1 being January, 2 being February, March, April, and so on. And then again, over here, you have lines for things that are important for you monthly. But for me, it's different things like wiping the walls, maybe like wiping down our doors and switches, vacuuming the furniture, deep cleaning the bathrooms, that type of thing. And then down in the bottom right is going to be the seasonal things. So these are something I would do in the winter, spring, summer, fall. So again, you can check them off as you kind of complete them each season. So for me, this would be like maybe decluttering our closets and drawers, vacuuming and wiping our baseboards, washing our pillows and blankets, and then, you know, different things that maybe I wouldn't do every season, but like organizing your garage and or the storage in our basement type of thing. So that is the overview of my cleaning routine PDF, which you can download in the link below. Alright, this room might not look as much of an improvement, but a lot of times this room is kind of like things to do and like mudroom vibes, so I gotta just unpack those, and then that goes to the Goodwill, that's gotta return to Target, that's plastic that I bring in to get recycled, and then I just need to go through like these 2 bags. And then these need to go down into storage. This is my toy repair studio. I gotta fix that toy for Harriet. I should probably go through some of her shoes down there. But for the most part, this is a more tidy version of this room. That tends to kind of be a catch-all mudroom vibe. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, check out the links in the description below for downloading my PDF, for getting yourself a new vacuum, and all the other details are going to be down there. And thank you again, LG, for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing kind of a more organized cleaning routine, like my daily, weekly, monthly, and then kind of things I like to tackle seasonally. And I hope you enjoy that PDF. If you use it, I would love if you tag me on Instagram at KittyCotton, and I will see you in my next video. If you aren't subscribed, that'd be cool too. You can subscribe if you're into that. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.